there, curious minds. Ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started. How does a scientist solve a mystery? It all starts with the power of the hypothesis. Every great discovery begins with an observation. You notice something strange or interesting in the world around you. This observation naturally leads you to ask a specific scientific question. Why did this plant grow so tall? To answer it, you form a hypothesis. This is an educated guess or a testable prediction. The best way to write a strong hypothesis is by using the famous if, then, because format. The if is your independent variable. It is the one specific thing you choose to change or test. The then is your dependent variable. This is the exact result or effect that you plan to measure. The because explains your reasoning. It connects your prediction to real, established scientific facts and research. Put it together. If I add fertilizer, then the plant will grow taller because it receives extra nutrients. But here is the golden rule. A scientific hypothesis absolutely must be testable through a real experiment. To test it, you design a controlled experiment. You keep everything identical except for that one single variable. During the experiment, you carefully gather data. You measure, record, and track your dependent variable very closely. Once the experiment is over, you analyze the results to see if they actually match your prediction. If your data perfectly matches your guess, your hypothesis is supported. But remember, in science, it's rarely proven. What if you were wrong? That is fantastic. A rejected hypothesis still creates amazing new scientific data. Remember, make an observation. Use if, then, because, and always make sure your hypothesis is testable. Science is all about asking questions and testing the unknown. Stay curious and keep hypothesizing. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such fun videos.